Welcome to my full review of Check City. If you're looking to improve your credit score or need a quick personal loan, you might have come across Check City, a platform offering credit building services and loans. In this video, I'll give you an honest, in-depth look at my experience with Check City. First, let's take a look at their homepage. It's simple to navigate, with clear options for both loans and credit building tools. Whether you need a payday loan, installment loan, or are looking to improve your credit, everything is straightforward. The first impression is that the website is user-friendly and makes it easy to explore your options. For those interested in credit building, Check City offers a service that allows you to take out small loans and then repay them over time. This can be an effective way to build credit, especially if you have no or limited credit history. The site makes it clear how these loans can help boost your credit score by reporting your payments to major credit bureaus. One thing that stands out is how transparent Check City is about their interest rates and fees. They give you a breakdown right on the loan page, so there are no surprises later. It's important to note that while their interest rates can be on the higher side, this is typical for credit building loans, especially if you're working with limited credit. The application process is fairly quick and simple. You will need to provide some basic personal information, including your income details and social security number. It took me about 10 minutes to apply for a loan, and I received approval almost immediately. However, the speed at which the money is disbursed can vary depending on the loan type and the state you're in. When it comes to repayment, Check City provides flexible options. You can choose the terms that work best for you, and they offer automated payment features, so you never miss a due date. Plus, they make it easy to manage everything from their online dashboard, where you can check your loan balance, upcoming payments, and more. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Check City offers a clear and accessible path to building credit, especially for people who are new to credit or those who have struggled with it in the past. The application is fast, and the transparency around fees and interest rates is a big plus. However, the biggest downside is the relatively high interest rates, which could be a turnoff if you're looking for the most affordable loan option. In conclusion, Check City is a great option if you're looking for a simple way to build credit and need access to personal loans. If you're okay with the higher interest rates and can manage the repayment terms, it's a solid choice. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews of financial services. Thanks for watching.